I honestly never thought this would happen, but we have to replace our beautiful front door. It's 150 years old and I love the rustic look, but it recently stopped closing because it's completely warped. We had someone look at fixing it, but sadly it's beyond repair. After weeks of searching, we found another door. It's 120 years old from a beautiful old cottage, and we just knew it would be the perfect replacement. This felt like the perfect opportunity to do something a little bit different and give our whole entryway a completely new look. The first thing I needed to do was completely refinish the timber on the new door. I sanded it back using a medium and then fine grit sandpaper to give it a really smooth, beautiful finish. Then I vacuumed it and cleaned it using mineral terps. We wanted a dark finish, but to be able to see the wood grain, so I'm using this Fee Watson timber and deck stain in Black Japan. Using a brush, I'm going to apply 3 coats to it, front and back. It took a while, but immediately it started looking so beautiful. I let that dry, and then it was time for the really sad task of removing our old door from the hinges. Ben then attached new hinges and we hung the new old door in the frame. Honestly guys, I love it so much. I feel like it is so grown up and really elevates the whole space. There is just something so beautiful about black stained wood when you can still see the texture and the grain. I just love it so much.